Hi, I'm Lisa. I'm the Ukulele Fool, and it's Silent Night. And in this beginning tutorial, I'm going to be giving you 4 different ways. Count them, 4. Oops, no, get that thumb out of there. 4 different ways in which to strum and pluck your way through this well-known tune. Get your ukulele, get it in tune, and let's get going. This is a great song for a ukulele group, and first you need to have a kind of a strum that everybody can do and hold together. It isn't too active because you don't want it to take away from the beauty of the melody and the words. So, a thumb strum down, down, up, down, like this. Silent night, holy night. Easy peasy. That's a great one to do if you're playing with a group of ukulele players, like ukulele players are known to do. One of my favorite ways to play Silent Night, particularly if I'm going to be playing by myself, is to use finger picking. But sometimes finger picking gets a little repetitious in its sound too, and of course it's very thin because you only have one string sounding at a time. So I have a solution to that. It takes a little bit of coordination to learn, but boy, it's well worth it. So let me zoom in here and show you how it's going to go. Starting with your thumb on your G string, and you just put your index finger on your C string, your middle finger on E, and then your ring finger takes the A string. So all fingers touching a string, just like that, except for your pinky, which is floating in space. All right, I'm going to play a G. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up that index finger and pluck 3 strings at once. So the C, which is done by my index finger, is not being sounded. Then, starting with the index finger on the C, I'm going to go pluck the C string, the E string, the A string, and back to the E string. Dum, bum, bum, bum. And that sounds like this. Like that. I'll show you how it goes on 3 different chords. All is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child. Like that. Well, I would be remiss if I didn't show you probably the easiest finger picking pattern to do. You probably already discovered this on your own. Because this is in 3, you can just pick each string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Steady 2 plucks per beat, and you've got it like silent night, holy night. Just like that. Easy peasy. So what do you do when a song's so popular and so well known and, add to it? Sure, why not? I'm going to do this last one in the island strum. So, and I'm throwing a chuck in on my second down stroke. I've got links down below to the island strum and how to chuck. And this presents an interesting challenge because the island strum's in a pattern of 4 beats and Silent Night's in 3 beats. So, gives you a little bit more time to play around with the notes, kind of like this. Silent night, holy night, all is calm and all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace.
So let me know what you think. Leave a comment down below. Did you like the island strum with that? Or is it kind of like, no, I don't. Okay. Have fun with it. Play around. Maybe you have another strumming style or finger picking style that you like to do. Let me know down below. Thanks as much, and I hope that you are warm and safe and healthy and happy.